Well, ace tennis player Leander Paes was conferred with the Padma Bhushan, the country's third highest civilian honor, on Saturday. The 40-year-old, who aspires to represent the country at the Olympics for a historic seventh time at the Rio Games, posted his pictures on Twitter post the ceremony and thanked everyone for their support.
Leander, thanks a lot for talking to us. First up, congratulations. And even you have to admit that the Padma Bhushan is a big one.
Thanks, Shivani. Yeah, for sure. This one is a big motivation factor for me. For one, to be recognized by the people, to be recognized by the government, the country, it speaks of 29 years of hard work. I mean, we've been doing this for about, 20 years together, and the journey has been fun. The journey has had a lot of ups, a lot of downs, a lot of adversity. And what's important is the motivation towards achieving excellence keeps getting rejuvenated by accolades like this.
We hear you, of course, talking about the 2016 Olympics. You've mentioned that is definitely one thing you want to do, your 7th Olympics, but also 17 Grand Slams. Is that the new target you've set yourself?
Yes, it is. I first wanted to reach 1, I did. Then I wanted to reach 10, I did. And now sitting at 14, Rogers won 17 Grand Slams in singles, and I've done 14 in doubles and mixed. So it would be wonderful to get to that benchmark to start with. So for me, my last Grand Slam I won was 6 months ago, and the preparation is for Wimbledon and for the US Open. So to go out there and try and achieve 17 Grand Slams is definitely a goal. When I get to the Olympics in Rio, it's about putting the best team forward to win. The last Olympics was a bit of a shambles, and not only did I lose out a chance to win a medal along with my singles, India lost a chance to win. So I think if we can do it really right as a fraternity of tennis in this country, we really need to do it right to put the best team out there to win a medal.
All right, we wish you all the best for that. But I also want to talk to you about a big target coming up for India in the Davis Cup. You created a bit of a flutter, Leander, at the start of the year when you said you're withdrawing from national duty. But now you've made yourself available. It's going to be a tough target. So you expect yourself to be in the team and, play a crucial role in the doubles?
For one, when I was asked that question a couple of weeks ago, the question that came to me was that would you play Davis Cup for the country ever again? And I said I never shy away from playing for the country. The next question came to me was that would you play as a player or would you come in as a captain? And I said whatever role that there is for me to play, if the time's right, if I really feel like I'm needed in that role, I would do it. And for me, at this stage of the game, it's not just about playing another tie, not just about winning another doubles match. It's about doing something that really makes a difference. So
let me ask you a pointed question. Then, do you want to play the Serbian tie? Don't you think that we need somebody like you and in the doubles section?
Like I said, if I am required for this tie to play against Serbia, I will be available. Okay. If I am selected for it and the time is right to play, I will be available for it. But at the same time, it's about really looking at the longevity of the next 2 years before the next Olympics, and that's what's important for me.